Over 100,000 people has tried this recipe and they can attest to the fact that this recipe works. Therefore, in today's video, I am going to be revealing to you how you can use this one ingredient to grow your hair faster. What's up, my beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel. So guys, in today's video I am showing you a powerful rosemary hair growth recipe that can take your hair from thin to thick hair in no time. It is super easy and the results unbelievable. So stay tuned to the end so you don't miss any important steps. All right, without further ado, let's get right into the video. So guys, for this we will need either dry or fresh rosemary leaves. Girl, when I tell you that rosemary works, it works wonders for your hair growth, as it helps to stimulate blood flow to your scalp, which is exactly what your hair needs to grow. Now, to prepare this, you are going to be adding 2 tablespoons of rosemary to a clean glass jar. Please note the word clean. All right, remember that when you're making your DIYs, your surface, your working area and your containers should be clean to avoid contamination. Now I am going to add water. I eyeballed my water, but I am assuming that is up to 400 ml worth of water. Okay, water. So now I'm going to cover it and let it sit for 12 hours, and after 12 hours we are going to see our rosemary water looking exactly like this. Okay, remember that you can also let this sit for 24 hours and it's still okay. After 24 hours the water is going to be darker. So guys, you can either infuse it between 8 to 24 hours depending on the time that you have at hand, and you're good to go. All right, now the next thing I'm going to do is to strain it and put it into my applicator bottle, my spray bottle, for easy application. All right. So now that our rosemary water is ready, stay tuned. Let me show you how I use it for my hair and how you can use it for hair growth. All right, my beautiful people, it's time for application, and this is exactly what my hair was looking like. All right, so it is time for me to re-moisturize my hair and prepare my hair for a protective hairstyle on this very day, and I'm going to just be demonstrating to you the best way to use this rosemary for effective results. Okay, please let me apologize for how whitish my face was looking. I didn't even look at my face in the mirror before I started filming this video. I just finished showering and I had to, make my hair on this very day, so I decided to kickstart my day. All right guys, so to use this hairspray on your hair for massive hair growth, please concentrate this hairspray on your scalp. Okay, use it on your scalp and use it on the ends of your hair. Okay, you apply it on your scalp and massage your scalp for a few minutes to let the rosemary sit in. If you're suffering from itching scalp, applying this spray on your hair every day is going to help you get rid of itching scalp. And also, if you've been dealing with thin hair and you're looking for a way to thicken your hair, then this rosemary spray is going to help you to achieve that. You have probably heard of minoxidil, the popular hair growth treatment. But did you know that research has shown that rosemary oil works just as well as store-bought or over-the-counter minoxidil in promoting hair growth without any side effects? So guys, there was a study in 2015 where people who used rosemary oil saw the same results as those who used minoxidil. So this is to tell you that rosemary is as effective in growing out your hair as well as the over-the-counter hair growth treatment. Plus, rosemary is all natural, okay, which means there's little to no side effects when using rosemary, unlike the store-bought hair growth treatment. Studies has also shown that rosemary contains a property called uracilic acid, which improves blood circulation in the scalp. So this literally means that your hair follicles get more nutrients, leading to thicker, healthier hair. All right, so guys, when applying rosemary on your hair, please remember to massage your scalp. Like I said earlier, it is very important if you are looking to use this to promote hair growth. Okay, don't just apply it and let it sit on your hair. Massage your scalp a few minutes so that your hair would absorb this powerful hair growth treatment. All right, now remember that this is a DIY treatment. So does it work? Yes. Is it effective? Very effective. But you have to be consistent with this to see results, and trust me, once you are consistent with it, you are going to see results in as little as 2 weeks. All right, so rosemary does not only promote hair growth, but also it helps to strengthen your hair strands, helping to reduce breakage and excessive shedding. Alright guys, if you're enjoying this video so far, please don't forget to give me a like. Alright, and if you found this video helpful, please share to your loved ones, to everyone whom you know will find this video helpful. Thank you very much. Also subscribe to this channel for more content such as this one if you are a DIY lover. Alright, now for storage, once you make this treatment, please remember to store it in your working fridge for up to 5 to 7 days. Once the time is up, please discard it and make a fresh batch. It is very important. The reason why you don't have to be using this treatment after 7 days mark is because this treatment has come in contact with water, and anything that is in contact with water without preservative, we cannot assure how long it's going to last before bacteria start forming in. And that is why, to play safe, we'll have to keep it in the fridge for up to 7 days, because keeping it in the fridge is going to help to increase the shelf life of this product, but that is not a guarantee that it won't go bad. Therefore, after 7 days, please make a fresh one. All right, and you are good to go. Also, a pro tip is to please make your DIYs in little quantities. That way you are able to use it up. And how often should you use this? You can safely use this on your hair every day. You can use it as a challenge where you use it every day on your hair for 2 weeks, and after that take a 1 week break and observe your hair, and then come back in the comment section and share your good news. So my beautiful people, I hope that this video was helpful to you. Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section, and if you made it to this point, please drop a heart emoji in the comment section. All right guys, without further ado, my name is Favor. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Please take care of yourself, and bye.